For this video, I will show you how to add your Instagram feeds to system.io. First, go and log in to system.io. Once inside, you need to go to one of your funnels. So go on the upper ribbon and click on Sites and choose either Sales Funnels or Digital. After that, go and select on one. Now, click on Edit Page on the right part. Then, this is where we will add our Instagram feed. Now for it, we need a third-party website, which is Offsite. So just go ahead and create an account for it. After that, go to Widgets on the upper ribbon. Then, under the socials, go to Instagram feeds. Now, click on this Create Widget for free. Here, you can choose from these different templates. Then, just continue with it. For the source type, choose account. You need to enter your username or URL. Then, click on search. Now, just wait for it to collect your post. After that, click on done. Now, go ahead and add it to your website for free. Now, you need to publish it on the top right. Then, for the plan, you can select this free one. After that, you now need to copy your embed code. So go ahead and copy it. Now, go back to system.io. Then in here for the elements, scroll down to the bottom. Then add a raw HTML to the section where you want to put your Instagram feeds. Now for here, you need to click on Edit Code on the left panel. Delete this one and paste in the code from Offsite. After that, click on the Save button. Once you've added the code, you can now go ahead and click on this Preview button at the top. Now if you scroll to the section where you put your Instagram feed, you will see that it is now integrated on your system.io. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.